Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make audio sound muffled on KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my KineMaster and I'm going to make the audio of this video sound muffled. If you want to create muffled effect, we need to apply like voice effect to our video or audio. And before I apply muffled effect, I'm going to show you the original audio. Wait, I'm going to play it guys. Okay, this is the original audio and I'm going to apply effect to this audio. We can click on the video like this. If you want to apply to your audio, you can tap on your audio, but here I'm going to apply it to my video. So we can click on the video and then we're going to go to the voice changer, and in this voice changer we can select the megaphone effect to create muffled effect. You can scroll down until you find the megaphone, this one. Okay, and this is the result. Okay, and now this effect has been applied to my video and the muffled effect has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make audio sound muffled on KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!